Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how you can import reviews from Amazon to Shopify for free, so you don't have to pay for anything here. So before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. As you can see here, guys, you wanna log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step, of course. And then after that, you wanna click on settings at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now after that, it will take you guys directly to Shopify App Store. You want to download Ali Reviews app. Just search here for Ali Reviews, and this is the app. It's called Ali Reviews, AliExpress Reviews. Don't worry, you can also import reviews from Amazon or AliExpress. This app supports Amazon and AliExpress. Okay, just download it, click on it. After guys, you click on the app. As you can see, this is the logo of the app. It says here free plan available. Now you want to click on install. Now in the next page, you just need to confirm, you just need to click again on install. Alright, now after guys, you click on install, then I'm going to be showing you how you can use the app right now. And as you can see, there are two different plans. Now the second plan, which is premium plan, you will pay $10 per month. And the basic, which is free plan, you will pay $0 per month. But the basic plan lets you only add 30 reviews per product. Okay, so you would just need to go with the free plan if you want, or choose the premium plan if you want. Now I'm going to sign up for free. Now it says here start tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can use this. Okay, so don't worry, just click on this X. Now after that, you want to click on manage reviews. Okay, so after guys, you click on manage reviews, you want to find a product that you want to add reviews to. So for example, if you have this watch, you imported this product from Amazon, or there is a similar product on Amazon, just like your Shopify product, as you can see here, you can just click on import reviews next to the product, click on import reviews, and here you want to select Amazon import. Now you want to go to Amazon and find that exact product and make sure the product has some reviews in it. Now I'm going to search for watch. For example, this is the watch. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, this product has 40,000 reviews. Okay, so I'm going to get the reviews from this product. Now we want to copy the URL of the product. Okay, like I said, make sure the product on Amazon is similar to yours on Shopify, so that you can import these reviews and they are related to the product. Okay, so when the customers visit your Shopify product page, they will see the reviews and they are similar to your product. Okay, so they are your product reviews. Okay, so they have to be the same. So as you can see, this is the product. Let's assume that this product is the same on AliExpress and on Shopify. Now you want to copy the URL in the top, right click, copy, and then you want to paste the product URL here. Right click and then click on paste, and then you can choose this feature that says should have images. You can choose here the number of reviews. I would like to import 30 reviews, for example. Click on import. Alright, so now after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to go to, first let me see which product I have added the reviews to. As you can see, this is the product. Okay, this is it. Okay, now you want to go to your Shopify store, click on online store, because if you don't do this, as you can see, I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to click on product, and I'm going to click on the product. As you can see, this is it. I'm sorry, I don't know if it, yeah, this is the exact product I added the reviews to. But as you can see, I have added the reviews, but if they don't appear, okay, as you can see, the reviews now appear here. As you can see, I have added the reviews and they appear, as you can see. If they don't appear, you want to go to online store, and after you click on online store, you want to click on customize. After guys, you click on customize, you want to click where it says template. Under that, you want to click on add block. Sorry, you want to click on under the apps. I'm sorry, under the apps, you want to click on add block. Click on apps, and you want to add the Ali Reviews products widget. Click add it, add the game block, apps, Ali Reviews collection, and then click on save in the top right. Okay, make sure you click on save. After that, you want to click on Ali reviews product widget here. Click on it. But first you will have to click here in the top for homepage. In the top, click on products and then click on default product, and then you want to first you want to click here. It says scroll down a little bit and click on add. I'm going to delete this, I'm sorry. You want to click on add block here below product information. Okay, you want to click on add block. In case the reviews don't appear inside your Shopify product page, click on add block, click on apps, click on AliExpress product widget, and you want to click on that. You want to click on Ali reviews product widget, I'm sorry. After that, you want to click on select product. You want to select that product, for example this one, and then you will select that product that you have added reviews to. Click on save in the top right, and I'm going to check if the reviews appear or not. As you can see, the reviews now appear. As you can see, we have imported 30 reviews. As you can see, they appear here. Okay, you can also rate a review if you want by yourself. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can add reviews from Amazon to Shopify. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments what questions you have, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes.